Hi everybody, it's Mark again here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and today we're going to be talking window cleaning. So what we're going to start off with today is talking about commercial window cleaning, and this will be whether it's an office or could even be a retirement home or a block of residential flats that we can clean using purified deionised water with our reach and wash. So with our commercial window cleaning on residential blocks of flats or even retirement homes, nursing homes, we can actually work around the client's requirements. This may be working slightly earlier in the morning or slightly later in the afternoon to work around the commitments and requirements for our clients. So you're probably also asking how we manage to reach windows at height. So with our reach and wash system using purified deionised water, we can actually reach up to 65 feet, but you also have our own cherry picker. We can actually reach up to 72 feet from the cherry picker as well. If you'd like to know more information about the services that we provide here at Alfresco, please contact us on 01235 754 000 or visit the website on alfrescoec.co.uk.